In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Smartsheet calendar view and scheduling step by step. If you're managing projects, content calendars, or timelines in Smartsheet and want a more visual way to see your tasks laid out by date, this feature is a game changer. Calendar view makes it much easier to plan, adjust schedules, and keep everyone aligned. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have the sheet open that you want to work with. This should be a sheet that already contains date columns, such as a start date, due date, or scheduled date, because Calendar View relies on date data to display your tasks correctly. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see the different view options. By default, most sheets open in Grid View, which looks like a traditional spreadsheet. From the top menu, locate the View selector and click on it. This is where you can switch between Grid, Gantt, Card, and Calendar views. Go ahead and click on Calendar. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will automatically convert your sheet into a calendar layout based on the date columns in your sheet. If prompted, Smartsheet may ask you which date column you want to use for the calendar. Choose the column that best represents when each task should appear, such as a start date or due date. Once you're in Calendar View, you'll see your tasks displayed as individual items on specific dates. This gives you a clear visual overview of your schedule. You can scroll through the calendar to see upcoming tasks, past tasks, and anything scheduled for the current week or month. This is especially useful for planning workloads and spotting overlaps or gaps in your schedule. Now let's talk about scheduling and making adjustments. If you need to change the date of a task, you can simply click and drag the task to a different date on the calendar. Smartsheet will automatically update the date in the underlying sheet, so everything stays in sync. This makes rescheduling incredibly fast compared to manually editing dates in Grid View. You can also click on any task in the calendar to open its details. From here, you can update information like task name, assigned owner, or notes, depending on how your sheet is set up. All of these changes are saved instantly and reflected across the entire sheet. To customize your calendar view even further, look for calendar settings or options that allow you to change how items are displayed. You can adjust what information shows on each calendar item, switch between monthly and weekly views, and fine-tune the layout to match your workflow. This is especially helpful if you're using Smartsheet for content planning, marketing campaigns, or team scheduling. When you're finished reviewing or adjusting your schedule, you can always switch back to Grid or another view using the same view selector at the top. Smartsheet keeps all views connected to the same data, so nothing is lost when you switch back and forth. And that's how you use Smartsheet calendar view and scheduling. It's a simple but powerful way to visualize your work, stay organized, and keep projects on track. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.